Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Pastor Bennie, and you have tuned back into another Do-It-Yourself Credit Suite video. And today, or right now in this video, I want to come to you and tell you guys how it is that you're going to go about removing your hard inquiries. And this is some knowledge, this is some information that is out there, but a lot of people don't know. And that's what this page, that's what these videos are for those individuals who don't know, and you're looking to know. So what you're going to do, you can do this one or two ways. The first way is called bumpage, if you will. And so basically what you want to do is you want to do soft pulls of your credit report. And you do that by signing up on places like Credit Karma, Credit Sesame, credit.com, Wallet Hub does it. And basically it's really any of these credit monitoring, I can't get it out. Any of these credit monitoring websites, apps, or companies. So anytime you log into these, they do soft pulls each and every time you do that. And so let's say if you've signed up with about 4 or 5 of them, every day you're going to go in and you're going to sign into each one and just kind of browse around a little bit if you want, but just signing in will do the trick. And what that's going to do is every day you're creating 4 soft pulls, right? And so 4 times 3 is 120. And so by the end of the month, you're looking at 120 soft pulls that has now gone towards your credit report. And so those soft pulls will eventually start to remove the hard pulls. Now, the second way that you can get rid of hard inquiries is you can look at 2 other credit bureaus. And so I'm sure you've probably gone through much of your life only thinking that there are only 3 credit bureaus, but there are more. There are more. And so whenever Equifax, whenever Experian or TransUnion, when they're looking for your hard inquiries, the places they're looking at, 2 of the places that they're looking at is SageStream and then also LexisNexis, all right? SageStream and LexisNexis. Now, both of these 2 credit bureaus, you can request what is a freeze on your account. All right, you're gonna have to go through the process. If you go to, you can Google SageStream and Google Lexis, and you can find their websites, and it's really self-explanatory. You're gonna go find their websites, find the section that will allow you to do the freeze on your account. It is free, but you're gonna have to fax in. I prefer mail in some documentation validating your identity, validating you are who you are. So you're gonna have to mail it in or either fax it in, whatever you're comfortable with, and requesting that freeze. Now, once you request that freeze, they're gonna give you a PIN number. Do not misplace the PIN number. Write the PIN number down, email the PIN number to yourself, because you're gonna want to be able to remove that freeze from your personal profile from SageStream and LexisNexis when you're actually ready to go and purchase something like a home or get a business loan or a personal loan or something like that. So make sure you hold on to that PIN number, okay? And so again, that is what Equifax, that's what the 3 well-known credit bureaus look at. They look at mainly at SageStream, but also LexisNexis. So if you just want to just start with one, just start with SageStream. Okay, or you can do both, you know, just to make sure. But at least do Sage Stream, and request that freeze on your personal profile. And so now the next time it's time for the three well-known credit bureaus to update your credit report. They won't be able to check your personal profile on SageStream and on LexisNexis. And so those are two ways for you to remove the hard inquiries. Now, the next step in that is you're going to have to write a letter to the three well-known credit bureaus, requesting that they remove the hard inquiries. Like in my previous video, I shared with you that, for example, when you go to the car dealership, you may only give that car dealership the permission to run your credit report. You're not necessarily giving them the permission to allow these other lending companies to run your credit report. So legally, those hard inquiries are on, or illegally, those hard inquiries are on your credit report. So you want to send separate letters to Experian, separate letters to TransUnion, a separate letter to what's the other E one? I lost train of thought there, but Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Yes, Equifax. How can we forget about Equifax right now at a time like this with the whole breach going on? But anyway, you want to write separate letters to them, requesting, softly demanding, if you will, that they remove these hard inquiries. Now, you're only doing this after you have gotten the freeze on your personal profile from SageStream, at minimum on SageStream, and then also on LexisNexis if you can. All right. Again, send those letters, and then that way you now have the freeze on SageStream and LexisNexis. So now when Experian, when Equifax, when TransUnion, when they go to check, they won't be able to see those hard inquiry requests from SageStream and LexisNexis, and then they have no choice but to remove those hard inquiries from your credit report. And so just like that, hard inquiries are gone. And this also falls upon the FCRA, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, right? So this is all legal. Everything that I'm telling you, everything that I'm sharing with you is all legal, based on the FCRA. So you want to take advantage. You want to take advantage of that. Take advantage of your legal rights. All right, take advantage of your legal rights. So, hey, that's it for the tip for this video. Again, if you're you're looking to do credit repair or credit sweeping yourself, I do have a kit that will walk you through and give you all the information and the tools that you need to do this yourself. Again, like I always say, why spend money to pay someone else to do it when you can do it yourself just by taking a little time out? It really doesn't take long. It doesn't take much. Everything is detailed out in the kit. And so you can order that right now. Head over to the Facebook page, facebook.com/DIY credit sweeps, and go ahead and message me, and I'll go ahead and get that information to you. And so, again, that kit is going to help you to remove negative things off of your credit, help get that FICO, your FICO score up, and prayerfully, it will help to better position you in life and getting some things done that you want to get done and desire to get done. All right, guys, I'm out. That is it. As I always say, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy credit sweeping. Bye-bye.